What's up guys, we are back at this skiff and I'm basically just going to go ahead and paint. Yesterday we had a bit of issue with some moisture. We did not have that problem today, so I'm going to go ahead and put some bottom paint on. Go ahead and brush all of these spots the roller won't get to. Nice and thick coat. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe if you made it this far. This is probably the last video I'm going to make for this boat. And after I'm done brushing here, I'm going to go ahead and move to a roller. Fancy roller like this. Black paint. Roll that on nicely. Make sure you get all the little spots. No spots. So go ahead and like and subscribe.